Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn history notes fast. First, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading, close your notes and try to remember key dates, names, and events. This process strengthens memory pathways significantly. For example, after reading a paragraph, summarize it aloud or write down 3 main points without peeking. This simple yet powerful technique can boost retention by over 50%, making your study time much more effective and efficient. Next, implement spaced repetition. This involves reviewing material at gradually increasing intervals. For instance, review new information after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, and so on. Tools like digital flashcard apps can automate this process, showing you cards just before you're likely to forget them. This strategic timing ensures that information moves from short-term to long-term memory, making your recall almost effortless when exam day arrives. Third, connect information and create compelling stories. History isn't just a list of facts, it's a narrative. Try to understand the cause and effect relationships between events. For example, if you're learning about a series of battles, imagine them as chapters in a dramatic saga. This approach can make even complex timelines feel like an engaging story, improving your recall by as much as 40% compared to rote memorization. Finally, consistent practice and review are crucial. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to quickly review your history notes. Additionally, try explaining concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This teach-back method forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps in your knowledge. Regular, short review sessions are far more effective than cramming, leading to a 90% better retention rate over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.